Yo, what's up YouTube? This is going to be the first video documenting my journey building a supplement brand from the ground up with Quality Dose. Basically just a rundown of the brand. It's going to be a high quality mushroom extract brand to launch, but with the name we're keeping it open-ended so we can welcome in new products as they start trending. And my plan is to make a very high quality extract while bringing in the branding of a modern TikTok Gen Z type feel to it so it can connect with that audience a little bit better. As many of you know, the supplement industry doesn't have the best reputation for having high quality, get what you ask for delivery on the products, I guess you could say. So that's where I'm trying to step in and have a quality dose, build a brand that you can trust. And basically my vision for starting this was taking something that I actually use in my own life and building it into the perfect quality extract that I would actually love to take. I've grown some of these mushrooms that we're going to be launching with, starting with lion's mane. I've grown a lot of lion's mane, medicinal mushrooms of that nature as a failed business in the past. And we were growing and trying to wear all the hats, but we're going to take that and outsource to manufacturing while maintaining the quality, if not a higher quality. And really with that failed business in the past, it made me realize that it's a team sport. You don't have to make the product yourself, manufacture it yourself, basically run all the branding. So with this, I'll be able to focus on the actual things that push the needle as far as mainly marketing, but actually having the vision and energy to build the vision for the brand. So with this product launch, we're going to be doing bottles and jars. So it's going to be a encapsulated 120 count lion's mane 30% beta-glucan extract, all organic, water soluble. Yeah, it's basically just going to be a high quality extract. You can either put it in smoothies, coffee with the jar version, so you can scoop that with the powder that we're going to have, or you could take it like a pill as a capsule and get the same benefits. It really just will be up to consumer preference. So far, all the work has been going into choosing a manufacturer, and I'll pull up a little bit of that a little bit later. We've secured the LLC, the domain, and we've got the TikTok shop set up. We've got the Amazon FBA set up, and we've got the Shopify store, not built out yet or anything, but we got that in the works. So far, I just ordered the sample literally a few hours ago, and with this processing line, we have about 3 months until launch for my current timeline, and this is really just shipping time from China. And I know it's like, oh, China, like if you still have that idea that China's bad for manufacturing. We are going to be third-party testing all the products that we get before we launch, because I'm not trying to take nothing that I'm not vetting first. And that's basically all we have so far. I will go into the computer and show you a little bit of what this process looks like as far as building it from the ground up, and what we're looking at as far as Alibaba, what we're looking at as far as the TikTok shop, Amazon, and just go a little bit overview. Nothing really deep, we're just getting started. But this is just going to be the first document that we have, just kind of going over the whole process, and we're enjoying the journey. So let's get into the computer. Now we're in the computer. I'm going to walk through a little bit of what the workflow looks like. And so first we're on Fiverr. We got the designer that we're going to be working with. He's going to be doing the jars and the bottles. And the manufacturing over here, sample was ordered, $62. Just for mainly shipping, and then we have the products here that we're going to get for the testing. I'm going to be testing different water solubility on these specifically, and the capsules that it comes in, just some basic stuff, because the jar itself needs to be 100% water soluble, so there's no sediment when people go to put in their smoothie, coffee, etc. And the capsules don't need to be 100% water soluble because it will be fully digested. So that's what we're working with here. And then I'll look at all the messengers. And so we've just been trying to get the best deal possible here, and I think we've worked it out. So the person that I requested the sample from is who we're most likely going to go with. And then we have the brand mock-up. This is not at all what the final product is going to look like, but I was just playing around with here. I guess I'd show it, see what kind of where my creative idea is at. And we got qualitydose.com. We've got the TikTok Business Center here, registered and all ready to go. Seller Center. And all we need to do is just pick a 3PL, which will be later down the line. I'm not in a rush with that yet, because like I said, it's going to be taking 3 months until we're actually ready for product. And then product listing, TikTok shop, and that's pretty much where we're going to be going in these next 3 months when we get the samples and the manufacturing side picked out. And then we're on Amazon. So camera died on me, but so this is just a little bit of the setup that we got going on. And the process, the vision, it's all looking very good, and I'm very excited what the future holds. We are going to be launching on TikTok. It's going to be the main sales channel, I guess you could say. I am going to be putting the product on Amazon, but not through the actual subscription. It is just going to be a pay-by product, but I haven't really done that much research into FBA. I'm going to do a little bit more once we get closer to that projected date. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much what it is for right now. Like I said, it's going to be a 3-month process, so we don't really have too much going on except for the waiting game with the shipping. I'm going to keep you guys updated. This is going to be the first document for this chunk of the journey, I guess you could call it. And if you watched then, thank you so much for tagging along. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.